And here's your fish with tomato sauce, basil and chili. Galing. Hello and welcome to Goma At Home. Today we're frying fish. No? Gawa tayong snapper. Sa Tagalog, maya-maya. And we'll cook it with cherry tomatoes, onions, garlic, chili, and some basil. So, easy lang. Basic na basic. Kung wala kayong onion, kung wala kayong flour, pwede naman cornstarch, no? And then just season the cornstarch. Put some salt. Put lots of pepper. Yan. So that's way to season your fish, no? The cornstarch for your fish. Yan, ganon. And then, yan. That's it. Ganon lang siya. And while we're doing that, initin natin yung skillet natin. Okay? We'll put some, we'll use some olive oil for this. And then, kung saan natin niluto yung fish natin, doon din natin gagawin yung sauce niya. Okay? There. Okay? Good. Itong dish na to, easy. You can prepare this in 10 minutes. No? Tama mo, habang iniinit natin yung skillet natin, naghihintay tayo, pwede mo i-prepare yung chili. Masarap to pag maraming chili. Fish, chili, and then tomatoes. Perfect. No? Yan. Good. Sabay tayo na uminit na yung natin, yung oil natin. Halos tapos na rin tayo dito sa paggawa ng sauce. Okay? Good. Cut. Okay. We'll dice our onions, you know. Yan lang, oh. Okay, good. That's it. Tapos kuha tayo na, kuha tayo ng konting garlic. Konti pang init, konti pa. Para hindi dumikit yung fish natin sa sa pan. Because we're not using non-stick, eh. Tsaka lang medyo mainit siya ng konti. Tama lang. Ito na matapos ako dito. Yan, luluto natin, isda natin. Good. And then, yung garlic natin, putol natin, putol natin manipis, maliit. Yun, just like that. Good. Onions, chili. Mainit na ba? Lapit na. Another minute. Just coat this more. Yan. Okay. And then yung basil. Kunin mo lang yung mga leaves niya. And then we'll do a chiffonade. No? Chiffonade yung i-roll mo yan. Tapos putulin mo siya ng pahaba. Ganun lang. Ito masarap sa tomatoes, no? Tomato sauce. Put a lot of basil, perfect yan. So with this, just put it there, roll it. Yan, mainit na yun natin, mainit na yung oil natin. Okay, I can now put our fish. Okay. Good. So while we're frying the fish, we're doing our basil. Okay. Ganun lang, oh. Yung tomatoes naman, cherry tomatoes, you'll just cut it in half. We'll cook the fish 2 minutes on each side. And you want it to be golden brown. Yeah. Okay, ikot natin yung fish natin. Good. Nice. Get this out. We'll just continue cutting our tomatoes hanggang sa maluto siya. So medyo malaki yung piece ng fish natin. Damihan na rin natin yung tomatoes natin. Okay, we're almost done. Halos tapos itong tomatoes natin. Okay. Okay, good. All right. Check. Nice. Good. Ganda yung pagkaluto ng fish. So what we'll do, take it out. Okay. Let it drip. Put this on the side. And then, doon na rin lang lulutuin itong mga natin. Yung sauce natin. Just take out a little of the oil. There. That's all the oil we want. Unahin natin yung onions. Okay. Good. Once it's cooked, put in our chili and our garlic and tomatoes. Sabay-sabay na yan. And then last dyan, yung yung basil. Okay? Cook this well. And then yung ibang tomatoes, didurugin mo. Yan, durugin mo yung tomato. Water, running water. We'll make a sauce out of this. Put some water. Good. And then some salt and pepper. Good. Put in some salt and pepper. Goody. And then last is our basil. Good. Lutuin lang natin na mabuti yung tomatoes. Pag malambot na siya, saka natin dun, ilalagay yung fish. We'll bring back the fish. Cook it well. Okay. Okay. Once malapit na maluto yung tomatoes natin, we can put in the basil. Nice. And then clean our table. Okay. Try this. Good. Sarap. Oh, anghang, sarap. Game. Fish. What we'll do is bring back the fish. Put it there. Lagyan mo yung sauce doon. Beautiful. Ganun lang. Then you have your restaurant quality fish. Good. Turn it off. Ready to serve. And here's your fish with tomato sauce, basil and chili. Okay, let's try this. Some olive oil. Nice, good. Expect this to be a bit spicy. Kasi we put in some chili. Wow! Lambot ng snapper. Ito. Ganda, oh. Sarap. Galing. And the nice thing about this, ang dali niyang lutuin. Depending on gusto mong isda, you can choose maya-maya or snapper, or tuna, or blue marlin, or lapu-lapu. Oh, bahala ka. Or even tilapia. This is good sa tilapia. I-fillet mo lang tilapia. Nalutuin mo ito. Kamatis, basil, the usual basics. Sarap. Tatagyan mo ng chili. Yung clincher din, chili, tsaka yung basil. Oh, this is really good. That's your fish. It's easy to cook. Thank you so much for joining me right here in Goma At Home. Please like, share, subscribe, and press on the notification bell para alam nyo kapag mayroon tayong bagong video na parating. Okay? So do this in your own kitchen, share it with your friends, and enjoy it with your family. I'll see you again next time right here in Goma At Home. Bye! Lami yung pagkaanghang niya, oh. Sakto.